Welcome to the Feel Good Painting Station. My name is Garrick Brown, and I'm so thrilled that you made it to this episode. I'm going to let the music play, spread a little love in the process, and I will see you in the next video. Hello, beautiful people. So you can never go wrong with blues. So I'm experimenting with a number of different blues today. I will show you each of them in just a moment in the video. And I'm doing some blooms, and you will see I progressively get darker and darker with my colors. So I just kind of want to show you the options. When we use the same colors, we can get such different results here, okay? And here I am using my handy dandy straw to spread out that cell activator. My cell activator is a 3-to-1 ratio with Amsterdam titanium white paint and Australian Lotrol, okay? 3-to-1 ratio. You already know this is my jam. And check out these gorgeous cells that are popping up. So you see we have lots of really bright and vibrant blues and teals, and as we progress we will get a bit darker as we move towards the deep sea ocean, okay? So I have this cake turner. I bought it from Amazon. You can actually buy it in the links below. And if you buy it, I get a few pennies in commission. So I would greatly appreciate the support. And it's kind of free. I mean, you got to pay for the turner, but you can help me out in the process. Also, I am pouring on some mini coasters, and this mat that you see is from the Fluid Art Co. I absolutely love it. When the paint dries, it peels right off, and as you can tell, it gets really good use in my studio. And if no one has told you today, I think you're pretty amazing. And do you know that this world would be a different place without you? You offer something different that no one else can, and that is you. So celebrate yourself, and don't forget to take a moment for self-care. You know, we get caught up in everything that's going on in the world, and sometimes we forget to take a moment and breathe, okay? So just take a moment to relax in this video and think about a way you can treat yourself because you deserve it. We're halfway through another year. I hope you are smashing your goals, but if you aren't, you still have time. Set a plan, take a moment to write out your ideas and look at them every single day so you don't forget, and then put the work in. Alright, so this beautiful bloom, oh, I just love it. I'm actually going to be teaching how I spread out my colors in a few weeks at the Fluid Art Experience, and I'm going to talk about that a little bit more at the end of the video. But yes, you can come paint with me in person, and I would love to meet you. If you know me, you know that my classes will be an explosion of fun. And ladies and gentlemen, here are our colors in this video. All right, friends, so I'm going to let you enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll be back towards the end to say goodbye. If you made it this far, you are pretty awesome. Thank you so much for supporting me, my channel. Remember, family, do every single thing with love. Treat your friends, your family, and even your enemies with love. I would love to see you in Texas with me. I guarantee you will have a ball in my classes, and there will be so much fun, some surprises, and some amazing art. Okay, so come join me, get your tickets, and let's have some fun. And it wouldn't be me if I didn't give you a little sneak peek of what's to come. So just stay tuned, and I think you're going to like what you see.